Hello and good night. Happy Christmas Eve. And as you can see, I'm standing here on the balcony and they have fireworks going off over here in Orlando in my area. Over here is Disney, but the trees are blocking it a little bit. Right over here. This is iDrive. Oh, this is Disney over here. And iDrive, as you can see, the fireworks are going off. It's beautiful here. Yes, it is. That's iDrive over there with the big wheel. They have a lot of different events be going on. And it's going to be going on for this holiday. The fireworks were going off all evening. But I just came outside to show you folks a little bit of it. You see how beautiful it is over here? It's lovely at night. All the lights. Here we go, some more fireworks. That's Disney over there, people, where the fireworks are going off. And me, I'm close to everything. That's the beauty of it. Just a bus ride away, or you can drive, go in a car. I like taking the buses because you get to see the scenic route and stuff like that. But at night, I will go there by car. In the daytime, I don't mind going by the bus. And there are a lot of free stuff going on over here. They have a lot of free stuff going on for the holidays. There we go with the fireworks. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. They also have the tents put up in certain areas where you can purchase your fireworks and stuff like that. It's a bit chill outside. I think it's like in the late 60s, maybe 69. It was pretty nice today. It really was. But I didn't go outside because on Sundays I like to chill in the house. Sunday, that's the Lord's day. And I grew up that way, so I don't really roam the streets on Sundays. The fireworks are going off. They look so pretty. It's beautiful. And it's nice and peaceful here where I live. It's quiet. You don't see no crowds, nobody hanging out, getting high, drinking, none of that crap that you see in New York City. Oh no. You probably see that in the Pine Hill area. And it's a lot of blacks that live over there. Not that I'm trying to put blacks down, but that area, like my granddaughters call it the ghetto. I'm not trying to say I'm better than anybody, but that's a rough area. I've been over there, The flea market is down that way, but where I go to the flea market, it's not around the buildings, the rugged area and stuff like that. You know, it's just a big open space. So it's not like I'm in danger when I go over there. Not that I'm scared, cause me, I'm not scared. Ooh, you hear that? That one was loud. Ooh, look at this one here. Wow. So I hope you folks are enjoying your Christmas Eve. You know what I'm saying? With those of you that's in the cold, you're probably in your houses, just chilling, trying to hang in there, keeping warm and stuff like that. But JU Dash Ice is right here on the balcony making her video, showing you folks what goes on Christmas Eve over here. Well, some of what goes on here on Christmas Eve. If I was on the 7th floor, I will get to see this side better, but I don't feel like going upstairs to go on the balcony on the 7th floor. So I'll stay my butt right here on my floor, the 6th floor. I see a lot from here. Lovely, lovely. Ooh. Those are little tiny ones. Well, I am going to mosey my butt back on inside because I was watching YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I love to watch um, Carrie and Pierre. You know, that couple, they kill me. Oh my God, I love those guys. And there's some other ones that I like to watch too. Um, Robert and I don't remember his partner's name, but I love watching these guys. They're so funny. They keep me laughing. They're real. And then, you know, I watch a whole lot of different stuff on YouTube, you know. So that's where I'm going to go now, back inside and chill for the night. Good night, people. Happy Christmas Eve. See you all tomorrow, Christmas Day. Good night.